Psalms 23 verse 6. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Psalms 50 verse 4. He shall call to the heavens from above and to the earth that he may judge his people. Psalm 91 verse 5. Tēne ui ki he ngahi langi me lunga pe ki māmani. Koi uhi kene fua mauhono kakai.
Same wa tolu ko tau hia sio ke tai ke mesiwa. Filipai 5 verse 5 fia maupea eiki. Filipai wa hefa verse tato. Aku wo fa fa na I me akato pe e ka klaisi o kunde a. Lea whakatātā pahe tolu ves ni mamoiano. Whalala ki siawa aki o loto kotoa. Pea o ana ake whaaki ki ho poto o. Ke whakaongo ki a te ia iho hala kotoa pe e whakatonu e ia ho ngahi aluanga.
E wheso wahe o no vestaha o toru. Ai whanau mō taronga fua ki ho o mō matu a ihe e ki he o koto tonu eni. Whakaapapa ki ho tamai moho whae koe ruak whekau ia o ki ai atalo wha. Koe uhi ke lele ki te koe pia koe uhi keke mo ui wholoa ai ihe whanua. Ephesians chapter 6 verse 3. Honor your father and mother, for it is the first commandment with the promise, and that you may live well and long on the earth. Psalms 23 verse 1 to 6. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He restores my soul. He guides me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of shadows of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. My cup overflows. You pour oil onto my head. Surely goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
Sa me da whatoa whaseonga fulu. Ako na ki e ao ke a whae ki a whenangala. E ako koe ko hoko atua. Tuku ke te take e ao. E hea lamalia le leke he. E whanua o e angatonu.
Isaiah chapter 12 verse 2. God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid. The Lord himself, is my strength and defense.
First Peter chapter 5 verse 6. Humble yourself therefore under the mighty hand of God, that he may exalt you in due time. Kaletea vaua o vesi o noa. Ko tutuki au ke mate o nge kalaisi ka o ko mo ui. Ko kai ko au mo ui ka ko kalaisi o mo ui ateo. Pea ko mo ui ne kakano o ko mo ui he tui ke alo o tua. Aina ofa ke teo o ni fuakia ko ui ko au.